Hello, everyone. Welcome to AIOps Fundamentals. I'm Shandon, and with over 15 years of experience in IT, I have worked extensively in DevOps, DevSecOps, and cybersecurity. Throughout my career, I've seen firsthand how organizations are transforming their IT operations, and one of the biggest shifts we're seeing today is the move towards AIOps. Let's start by breaking down what AIOps actually is. In simple terms, AI Ops stands for Artificial Intelligence for IT Operations. It's all about using AI and machine learning to help manage and improve IT systems. Think of it as a tool that not only monitors systems but also learns from them. It detects issues in real time, responds automatically, and even predicts future problems before they happen. Now, let's look at the key components that make this possible. There are three main parts. So first one is data aggregation. His is where we collect data from logs, metrics, and traces across different systems. Second one is real-time analysis. NCE the data is collected. AI Ops uses AI to analyze it in real time, detecting patterns and spotting anomalies that might indicate an issue. And third one is automated response. So after analyzing, AI Ops can automatically take action. Finally, AI Ops is the next step in the evolution from traditional monitoring tools. In the past, teams had to manually track everything, and the sheer volume of data was overwhelming. Let's understand what AI Ops is all about with a real time example. It's a way of using AI and machine learning to help manage and improve IT systems. Instead of having your team manually monitor everything 24/7, AI Ops does that for you, but smarter. It detects issues in real time, responds automatically, and can even predict future problems. Now, what does that look like in action? I'll share a quick example from one of my clients, a large financial institution. They were dealing with major challenges in monitoring their vast IT infrastructure. They had traditional monitoring tools, but every time there was an issue, like a server going down or a network slowdown, they had to scramble to figure out what went wrong. The team was spending more time reacting to issues than focusing on strategic improvements. We implemented AI ops for them, starting with data aggregation, pulling in data from all of their systems, including servers, databases, and cloud services. Instead of siloed data, we brought it all into one place. Then came real-time analysis. AI ops used AI to analyze this data and spot unusual patterns. For example, one weekend, the system detected a surge in traffic that could have overwhelmed their servers. But here's where automated response came in. AI ops automatically scaled up the server resources to handle the traffic spike without anyone having to step in. As a result, they avoided downtime that could have cost them thousands of dollars in lost transactions. So with AI ops, they not only react but also predict and resolve issues proactively. Now let's talk about how AI ops has evolved over the years and why it's become such a critical component of its operations today. We're going to take a quick journey through the timeline of AIOps to understand its rise to prominence. In 2015, it all starts here when the term AI ops was introduced by Gartner. At that time, we were already facing growing challenges in managing IT operations, especially with the increasing complexity of systems. Gartner's idea was to bring artificial intelligence into the mix to solve these problems. And fast forward to 2017, cloud computing and digital transformation initiatives started to take off. Organizations were moving from on-premise systems to the cloud, introducing even more complexity. The traditional tools just couldn't keep up with the speed and scale of these environments, so there was a need for more advanced IT operations management tools. This is when AI ops began to gain serious traction, and by 2019, the AI ops market started to grow rapidly. Major vendors like IBM, Splunk, and ServiceNow entered the game, each launching their own AIOps platforms. This was a big moment because it validated the need for AI ops, as more and more companies recognized that their existing tools weren't cutting it. And in 2020, then came the big shift. In 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic changed everything. Suddenly, remote work became the norm, and IT environments had to adapt to being distributed across different locations. This accelerated the adoption of AI ops even further because companies needed to maintain operations without having all their staff in one place. AI ops helped manage distributed systems and ensured IT teams could still keep everything running smoothly. And from 2021 onward, AI ops has become a critical part of modern IT operations. It enables proactive monitoring, predictive analytics, and automated incident response, things that are essential in today's complex and fast-moving environments. For example, in my own experience with clients, AI Ops has allowed us to predict outages and prevent downtime in critical systems, something that would have been impossible with traditional tools. It's no longer just a nice to have, it's become essential for staying competitive. This timeline shows how AI Ops has evolved to meet the needs of modern IT environments. What started as an idea in 2015 is now a critical tool that helps organizations stay ahead of issues and keep their systems running smoothly. Let's quickly break down the key components that make AI Ops work effectively. Data collection. AI Ops pulls in data from everywhere, logs, metrics, and traces, giving you a complete view of your IT environment. Real-time analysis. Once the data is collected, AI Ops uses machine learning models to analyze it in real time, detecting patterns and identifying issues before they become major problems. Predictive alerting is one of the biggest advantages of AI Ops is that it doesn't just react. It predicts issues and alerts teams early, helping you stay ahead of potential outages. And after detecting a problem, AI Ops can automatically take action, whether that's scaling resources or restarting a service. No manual intervention is needed. It even ties into systems like ServiceNow, automatically creating incidents for your team to address, streamlining workflows. AI Ops learns from past incidents, which means its accuracy and effectiveness get better over time. It continuously fine-tunes how it detects and solves problems. In short, these components work together to help you manage complex IT environments proactively and efficiently. As we discussed earlier, AI Ops is essential for managing the complexity of modern IT infrastructures. With the explosion of data from cloud environments, microservices, and hybrid IT systems, manual incident management just isn't enough anymore. AI Ops provides the intelligence and automation needed to reduce manual intervention, allowing teams to focus on more strategic tasks and handle issues before they escalate. All right, let's move on to the next slide and dive deeper into some real-world use cases of AIOps in action. Now let's bring it all together with some real-world use cases of AI Ops in action. One of the best examples of AI Ops at work is in the e-commerce industry, especially during high-demand periods like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Let's take a company like Amazon. They handle millions of transactions per minute during peak events. Without AI Ops, managing such high traffic manually would be impossible. AI Ops helps Amazon monitor real-time transactions, detect traffic spikes, and automatically scale their infrastructure to prevent outages. For instance, if there's a sudden surge in users, AI Ops can instantly spin up additional resources to handle the load, keeping the system running smoothly and avoiding downtime. What's interesting here is that while developers might expect to get all the project-related information, like total users or requests per minute, right away, reality often paints a different picture. AI Ops steps in to close that gap, ensuring that even if all data isn't immediately available, the system adapts in real time to maintain stability. This is just one example, but industries ranging from finance to healthcare are adopting AI ops to make sure their critical systems stay operational under any circumstances. That brings us to the end of this session on AI ops fundamentals. We've covered what AIOps is, why it's essential for modern IT, and how real-world companies are using it to solve big challenges like scaling during high traffic or predicting outages before they happen. In the next video, we'll get hands-on and start our first lab, where we'll set up real-time monitoring using Prometheus and Grafana. You'll learn how to collect system metrics and create custom dashboards to visualize everything you need to keep your infrastructure running smoothly. If you're excited to get started, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And if you found this session helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. I'll see you in the next video.